Here at Visual Learning Systems, we're really excited about a new online web-based product called Digital Science Online. Digital Science Online consists of videos, animations, assessments, student activities, and teacher teaching suggestions. This product is correlated to the next generation science standards. And because it's delivered over the internet, students and teachers can access it via digital whiteboards, handheld devices, or computers in the school. There are literally thousands of media assets on this product. For the next few minutes, we're going to show you how to navigate Digital Science Online. So the first step in the navigation process is to log in. What you need to do is to go to our home page at visuallearningsys.com. Once you're on the home page, you'll notice a green box in the lower right called Digital Science Online. Here, you'll type in your username and your password. Each teacher will have their own unique username and password. Then it sends you to the main landing page of Digital Science Online. We've worked really hard at creating a clean, easy to navigate interface, and everything you need is all on a single page. So all of our media is here and all of the various searching functions are here, as well as the list of all the topics. So if you notice in the bottom left, there's different grade levels listed. So if you've purchased the elementary product, you'll have access to the primary and elementary titles. If you've purchased the secondary product, you'll have access to the middle and high school content. So we're going to start off by looking at elementary level titles. When you click on that, you'll see that the titles appear, and these are all the titles that are affiliated with physical science. So if you're to click on Earth for the Earth Science titles, you'll see the list of all of the Earth Science titles, and if you click on Life, you'll see all of the Life Science titles. So if we'll go back to physical science, and we're going to select a title called Light. So all of the media assets affiliated with the program called Light are displayed here. And if you go to the menu bar in the top right, you'll see the various types of media assets that are affiliated with this show. So we have videos, we have animations, we have images, and we have a section called Teacher's Guides. So if you go back and we'll click on videos, one option you have is you can show the complete show, which is about 15 minutes long. One thing I want to mention about the video is that you can go full screen with it. And you can also turn closed captioning on. A lot of teachers like to have closed captioning on if they have students that are hearing impaired, or they also sometimes like to have the closed captioning on to have students practice their reading skills. Another way you can show the video is with clips. And you'll notice on the right-hand side are all of the various clips in this program. These clips range in length from 1 to 2 minutes long. Sometimes they're a little bit longer than that. And the clips contain a self-contained concept. So there's a distinct beginning and end to a clip, and they cover one or more concepts that make sense instructionally. What's great about these clips is if you just want to show, let's say, something on the speed of light, you could go to that clip and you could just show that during your classroom period, or maybe you could show a couple of clips. So more and more teachers are starting to teach with clips instead of showing a complete video. Another feature is that there's an animations button, and this includes the animations that are shown in this program. The animations are narrated. Some people like to show these as part of a lecture, or they can show them without sound and the teacher can explain what's going on in these animations, or they could give them to a student for homework to explain what's going on. Another thing we have are images, And these images are annotated, so there's a description of each image. You can use these in your lectures, or you can design assignments around these images so that students can look at them, and you can have them answer questions about the images. But these are images that are from the program, and they are selected to illustrate key concepts in this particular show around the idea of light. And the last button that we have in the menu bar are teacher's guides. And these include several different parts. The first section, called Introducing the Video, is for the teacher, and it's designed to help the teacher give them some ideas about ways they could introduce the concept, in this instance of light, and to introduce key vocabulary and to give students some background before going on with the rest of the unit. Also, I want to point out something called learning objectives, and these are the key concepts that are taught in this particular unit. And we also include the video script, and the script includes various chapters, and you can look at these chapters quite easily by clicking through them, and they're on the left. So let's take a look at our student activities. And there's a variety of activities. There's some assessment activities, including the pre-test and post-test. And there's also something called a video review. And the video review is a page that you can provide to students while they're watching the program, and they can fill in their answers. And it also includes the quiz at the end, so they can, and the answers are included, so that students need to come up with these answers on their own at the conclusion of the video. Other activities included our vocabulary activities. These are key ideas, key terms that are covered in the video, and a worksheet affiliated with those. We also like to have some hands-on activities. Could be lab activities or other types of activities. And maybe students are making something or performing some type of experiments, but these all relate to the video. So the video supports the teacher's guide, and the teacher's guide supports the video. So what we've tried to do is provide a number of different instructional tools and different modalities to give you an opportunity to reach students that have different learning styles. Another thing I want to point out is the fact that we have a search function, and this is a keyword search. So let's type in the word cells. And you can see that this provides a list of all of the various titles where the word cell is mentioned. So it's a very nice keyword search. I want to point out one other thing is that we can have teacher passwords, and you can also have student passwords. When teacher passwords are provided, we give you the answers to the various student activities, and when the student passwords are assigned, they don't have access to the answers to the teacher's guide. That just about covers our quick demonstration of the product. I think you'll see that it's designed really well, and it's easy to use, and I think you'll really enjoy it. Thank you.